Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Balakrishna. So, in this video, I am going to explaining class 8, chapter 3, understanding the coordinates, exercise 3.2. First problem, find x the following figures. So, it is the A. In the first one, there is two questions, A and B. So, before going to video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and give like and comment. Okay, so it is boosting to me to make the more videos. Okay, so first one, find x in the following figures. So here the angles are formed in exterior. So exterior angles of a polygon is how much? 360 degrees. Okay, here it is an exterior, it is exterior, it is a exterior. So here it is a polygon. In this polygon, the angles are formed exterior. Okay, that angles is how much? 360 degrees. So here sum of exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degrees. So that is a 125 plus 125 plus x is equal to 360 degrees. So 125 plus 125, 250. So 250 plus x is equal to 360. So x is equal to 360 minus 250. So x is equal to how much? 110. This is the A question. Next in B, same. So here it is exterior, it is exterior. Here the angle is 90, here the outside angle is also how much? 90. Why? Because there are linear pair. Sum of angles at a point and line is how much? 180. So it is exterior, it is exterior. So sum of exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degrees. So that is here 70 plus x plus 90 plus 60 plus 90 is equal to how much? 360 degrees. Here 90 plus 90, 180. 180 plus 60, 180 plus 60, 240. 240 plus 70, 310. So 310 plus x is equal to 360. So x is equal to 360 minus 310. So 360 minus 310 is how much? 50. So the x is how much? 50 degrees. So what the formula? Sum of exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degrees. Second one, find the measure of each exterior angles of a regular polygon having 9 sides and 15 sides. So here, first one, we know that each exterior angle of a polygon is 360 by n. So n means what? Number of sides. So here n value is how much? 9. N value is how much? 9. So 360 by 9 is how much? 1 jam and 40 jam. That is equal to 40 degrees. So here next, regular polygon means what? All sides and all angles are equal. So next, second one, each exterior angle of a polygon with 15 sides is 360 by n. N is how much? 15. 360 by 15. 15 1 ja, 15 2 ja, 4 ja. That is equal to how much? 24. So 24 degrees. Each exterior angle is how much? 24 degrees. Next, how many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degrees? So here, we know that each exterior angle of a regular polygon is how much? 360 by 360 by, but then the question how much they give that? 24. n divide going to by multiple. So 360 is equal to 24 into 24 multiple come to left side and divide. So 360 by 24 is equal to 10. So 6 4 ja 6 16 ja 4 1 ja 4 15 ja. So n is equal to how much? 15 sides. So how many sides of a regular polygon with the extra angle is 24? That is how much? 15 sides. Next, how many sides does a regular polygon have if each of interior angle is 165 degrees? So here we know that each interior angle of a regular polygon is, what the formula? N minus 2 into 180 by n. How much they given that? 165. So here it is the formula for each interior angle of a regular polygon. What the formula? N minus 2 into 180 by n. But here how much given that? 165. So n divide going to the side become multiple. N minus 2 into 180 is equal to 165 n. So n is multiplied with 180. 180 n minus 360 is equal to 165 n. So 180 n minus 165 n is equal to 360. So 180 n minus 165 n, that is how much? 15 n is equal to 360. N is equal to 360 by 15. 15 1 ja, 15 2 ja, 4 ja. That is equal to how much? 24 sides. If each interior angle is 165, then how many sides are of a regular polygon are there? 24 sides. So is it possible to have a regular polygon with the measure of each exterior angle is 22 degrees? So here we know that each exterior angle of a regular polygon, what the formula? 360 degrees by n is equal to 22. So n divided going to side of 10 multiple. 360 is equal to 22 n. So 360 by 22 is equal to 11. So 211 ja, 180 ja. So n is equal to how much? 180 by 11. So n is number of sides. Number of sides is always in natural number or whole number. Okay. So but here it is in the fraction form. So it is not possible. It is not possible. So next, second question, fifth second question. What is that? B. Can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Why? Okay, so here the 22 degrees is form a regular polygon. So it is possible. Check here. Each interior angle of a regular polygon is, what the formula? N minus 2 into by n into 180 is equal to how much? They given that 22 degrees. N divided by the side multiple. So n minus 2 into 180 is equal to 22 n. So n into 180, 180 n minus 2, 180 is 360 is equal to 22 n plus 22 n come to left side minus 180 n minus 22 n is equal to 360. So 180 minus 22, how much? 158. N is equal to 360. So n is equal to 360 by 158. 2 7 ja, 2 90 ja, 2 180 ja. So n is 180 by 79. So here the n is fraction form. So it is not possible. It is not possible. What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? So a regular polygon having minimum sides is 3. So that polygon is called equilateral triangle whose each angle is 60 degrees. So then what is the minimum angle is 60 degrees. So next, what is maximum exterior angle is possible for a regular polygon? So here maximum exterior angle is how much? 120 degrees. So minimum interior angle 60 means their maximum is how much? 100. Why? Because there are linear pair of angles. Interior and exterior both are linear pair of angles. So 120 degrees is maximum for regular polygon which having sides is 3. That sides of 3 polygon is called what? Equilateral triangle. So for equilateral triangle, the exterior angle maximum is how much? 120 degrees. Minimum is 60 degrees. Minimum interior. Thank you.